Okay, so let's write the word form of 7. Ooh, this is getting bigger on the number line. So what I'm going to do is instead of counting from 1 to 10, we've already reviewed 1 to 5, so I'm going to go ahead and start writing out the word form from 6 to 10 on our screen. So I'm going to write 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I'm going to go ahead and spell them out for us in word form. So we have 6 and 7 and 8. This one's a really tricky one to spell, but I think you'll get it if you just keep practicing. And 9. And our last one is going to be 10. Okay, so we're looking for the number 7 in word form. And we found it because we practiced writing them out. And it's right here. So we're going to go ahead and write in 7. And that's going to be our answer.